everybody, it is Carla Stevenné here, and today I will be doing my first ever huge PR unboxing haul. Recently I've received a whole ton of PR and it's all built up and it's all here, and I want to share with you guys everything that I got. I am so thankful to be in this position to just receive these awesome products just to potentially share with you guys, and yeah, I'm super excited. I want to share with you guys everything that I got, and you guys will probably see these in some upcoming makeup tutorials and things after I've tried the products out, and you guys will see everything right now. So I'm going to start with L'Oreal Paris. So I received the new Havana collection by Camila Cabello, and OMG, it came in the cutest packaging ever. I don't have the box, but they gave this bag in it, which I think is so adorable. L'Oreal sent me all of the lip glosses that were in this collection. So there are 4 different lip glosses. They call them lip dews. The one that I really am loving, and I'm literally have been using it, is the Havana lip dew in the color, let's see, what is it? I don't know, where's the color? I ripped the color off, wow. Well, it is the brown one, like this. So this is the color that I've been loving. And you guys will definitely see these in some sort of tutorial because they're so nice. This is what these look like. And then I also received, this is interesting, this is called Gotta Give Brow. And it is a liquid brow, so you outline it, then fill in and define, so build up your natural looking color. These are 4 of those. I think that that's really interesting concept, like a liquid brow, so I'm super excited to try that out. Then I also received the Sunlit bronzer. This is a liquid bronzer. I'm really excited to try this. Yes, this looks great. So I got the medium / deep one and the light / medium one. It's always really nice getting PR because it gives you an opportunity to try products that you know, most likely wouldn't have been able to try. So it's nice so I can try it for you guys, then bring it to you guys so you guys know exactly what you should get. And then I got all of the eyeshadows. So there are 4 different eyeshadows, super duper pretty. There's this kind of mauve one right here. We have a green one. The green one is super duper pretty. We have almost a, ooh, I can't even describe it, a champagne with a little bit of bronzy colors in there. And then this one has some pinky and plum colors in it. Super pretty shadows. So that is everything that I got from L'Oreal Paris. And then I got some more makeup. So this is from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. So I got this a little bit ago, but I still have the packaging. Super cute, you guys. So Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. I got their whole nude attire matte liquid lipsticks, and these are such pretty colors for fall. I did really love all of these colors. Just the only thing that I would do with this, it's very affordable, is I would just add some, you know, lip gloss or Vaseline, because when it dries up it gets really matte and your lips are a little dry. So I would definitely use that with a lip balm or something. I also got the Makeup Addiction light reflecting loose powder, which is on my desk over there, but it came in this package. And then I got a whole ton of brushes, and I have been using the brushes, super duper awesome, as well as the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Meadow palette, which is a super pretty palette, you guys. And these are some of my everyday colors, and I did use this in a makeup tutorial, so this is what it looks like. The sweet peach one right here is really pretty, and yeah, Pink Blossom, wait, it might be Dusk. That's Dusk. I'm confused. But this is all of the colors that are in there, the names on there. So that's everything that I got from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. And I feel like this is a fun way to bring you guys makeup hauls and hair hauls, because I used to do that, but they're not that popular on my channel. So I feel like you guys might like the PR more because it's a wide variety and it's fun stuff. So then I got stuff from Nubian Heritage. I got the Indian Hemp and Haitian Body Wash. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to try this. I'm so into my hygiene, and this is just great. Softening and moisturizing body wash. This just looks awesome. I got the body lotion, softening and moisturizing. I will definitely be using this. It just might make my next hygiene routine, who knows? All right, then I received the Softening, Moisturizing, and Exfoliating Hand and Body Scrub. Ooh. And then I also got the Shea Butter Softening and Moisturizing Lotion. Ooh, or no. Butter. Ooh. What is this? I do not know what this do. Yeah, this is raw. So this is like, you have to rub it into your hands until it melts. So it's like really powdery at first. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. And it's moisturizing. This is nice. It is really moisturizing. I got a body, like a bar soap. And then I also got the 24-hour deodorant. I have used this deodorant. It just smells super duper fresh. And then there is also the Softening and Moisturizing Hand Cream. Oh yeah, it smells super duper fresh. I feel like all these products smell the same. This smells nearly like the deodorant, but that would make sense because it is all the same ingredients. So that's awesome. All right, so then I received these minis from Marc Anthony. So they apparently have these new concentrated oil cream miracle treatments. So this is like deep conditioner and things like that. So this is the Grow Long Super Fast Miracle Treatment. And it's like minis, so they're super good for travel and things like that. And I got 2 of the Grow Long ones. I can't open the packaging because I put on the lotion, so my hands are like super duper like not having it right now. And then I have Strictly Curls Perfect Curl Miracle Treatment. And then this is the Bye Bye Frizz Damage Repair Miracle Treatments. So they're just minis and they came in this like cute little package. So Karity sent me tons and tons of their liquid like lipsticks. So many of their liquid lipsticks. They're really pretty colors. I'm about to share with you guys all the colors. So all their liquid lipsticks. I'm super excited for like my fall tutorials. I have all the fall colors. And then I received some products from this company called Kokie Cosmetics. So they sent me some really nice goodies. I got some more liquid lipsticks. You guys know the liquid matte lipsticks are so popular. This is liquid matte powder. So that is that. I got these in 4 different colors. I got the Hydrating Setting Spray Long Lasting, which I did use and I really love this. And it gives you a really nice natural like set. It's called Refresh. I also got the mascara, super amazing mascara. I just use this mascara and I love the mascara wand that it comes with, super nice. And it doesn't make my eyelash clump or anything. I did get the opportunity to use this. I also even use the contour palette. This is the deep contour palette. And it comes with 3 different nice deep shades that I can all work with. And then it even has like the highlighter shades right there as well. And I also received this palette for the lighter complexion too. So it's just contour shades for a more fairer skin tone and the highlights too. And then I also received all of these metallic shadows that are really cool. So it's like a cream right here on one side. And then the other side is, let's see. Y'all, don't put on lotion when you're trying to share this. And then it comes with like little glitter. So it's like a loose glitter. And I know these are going to be super pigmented. And I will try to link down below as many of these products as possible for you guys. So you guys can really take a look at them on the website. All right, so I have 2 more packages to share with you guys. So this package is another one that is from Marc Anthony. And they gave it on this like really cute little thingy. Like that's really cute. But this is New Styling Cocktails recipe cards. And I got different like curl cocktail, beach wave cocktail, texture and volume. It just describes all of the different mixes that it comes with. I dumped out all of the confetti. Let me put that back. So this is the, Duo Styling. Ooh, Slick and Straight Duo Styling. The Smoothing Cream and the Glossing Lotion. Smooth, shiny, soft to the touch. Free of sulfites. Now, this is something that I will definitely have to use. And it has 2 different sides. I love this. This is such a cool concept. So you have the Smoothing Cream here and then the Glossing Lotion here. Salon created, salon approved. Ooh, I love this. Then there's the dual styling volume lotion and the texture cream for beach waves. And then there's also the volume cocktail duo styling for thick and full. So this is the volumizing cream and the root lift. So you guys see it has 2 different openings. This is so cool. Such a cute like idea. All right, and then in my last box, I want to make sure to share all of these. This is Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture sent me some hair products as well. So this is the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. I'm really into like treatments to help my hair, so that is great. This is the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. Restore, prep, and protect extremely dry and brittle hair. And then I also got the same. It's like Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. I got the conditioner. And I also received the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. So seal and shine extremely dry brittle hair. So this is definitely going to come in handy. All right, you guys, so that is everything from this huge PR unboxing video. This is the first of many more, so definitely be sure to subscribe to my channel for more of these. Also, subscribe to see how these products work, makeup tutorials, try-on hauls, outfit ideas, and things like that. I am so excited for all of my future videos I have planned for you guys. Leave a comment down below if you've tried any of these products and what you think, as well as thumbs up. And follow me on my social medias if you don't already. My Instagram for more like inspiration and looks, my Snapchat, and all of that good stuff. All right, you guys, I will catch you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.